Hello guys and welcome back to my YouTube channel. In this video tutorial I will show you how to fix controller or gamepad not working in MARVEL Tōkon fighting souls game. So without wasting time, here follow the fixes mentioned in this video very carefully. First fix is to enable disable Steam input. So open Steam, go to library, right click on MARVEL Tōkon fighting souls game and then click on properties. Go to the controller tab and from here first select disable Steam input and then restart the game because changing requires restart of the game, and after restarting the game check if your problem is solved or not. If not, then again go to the game properties, go to controller tab and this time select enable Steam input and then again restart the game and then check. Fix 2 is to press the Alt plus Enter keys. So try pressing the Alt plus Enter keys on your keyboard. This simple trick can sometimes help to fix the problem. Now check if the controller or gamepad is working in MARVEL Tōkon fighting souls game or not. Fix 3 is to disable third-party game controllers and unplug additional peripherals. So other peripherals on your PC like third-party game controllers or any plug peripherals such as USB devices, pen drive, phone, camera or additional controllers, display, mouse, keyboard might conflict with the game. So remove such peripherals and then launch the game and check if it fixes the problem or not. Fix 4 is to use a wired controller. This is an alternative solution. Maybe game have some bugs or glitches at present and your wireless controller is not working. So if you have wired controller, then connect it and then play the game as of. So by following these fixes, you can easily solve controller or gamepad not working in MARVEL Tōkon fighting souls game. So that's all for this video. If this video helped you, then please like and subscribe to my channel, share this video and hit the bell icon to get the latest updates. Thank you.